What's going on, guys? My name is Halbin Minaya, aka Cashflow Entrepreneur. And as many of you guys know, a couple of weeks ago, or like 1 week ago exactly, I decided to retake into my eBay journey. I decided to start selling on eBay again after I had stopped for nearly 2 years or so because I started focusing into different things. So today I want to talk about this new scam that you might not know about, that I understand that you need to be aware of, so the same thing that happens to me don't happen to you. And this mostly goes for new sellers because when you are an old seller, you have like more experience, you know what kind of how the eBay scam look like a little bit and stuff like that. So now what people are doing now, what scammers are doing now on eBay is, for example, when you have an auction or a listing where you allow people to give you their best offer, what they're doing is that they're creating a new account with like 0 reviews, and this is how you can actually catch the scam. So most of the times the account have 0 reviews, right? And they would either put the same amount of money that you're asking for in the box where you can put your best offer, which, you know, seems a little weird. And that's another way you can catch that is a scam, because obviously if it was, you know, for real, if it was a real offer, they'll probably offer you a little less most of the times, and usually that's what people would do. They would make you an offer of either the same amount of money that you're asking for. Let's say you're selling a phone for $500 and you have the best offer box in there where people could put their best offer. They'll put in $500, which doesn't make sense, right? And that's one of the ways that you can catch that is a scam. And then after that, what they would do is that after you accept their offer, they would actually request eBay your personal information, and that's your address, your phone number, your real name, and stuff like that. And so after that, what they're gonna do is that they're gonna text you, send you a message, hey man, this is the person that just purchased your phone. Right now, I'm gonna pay for it, let's say 10 minutes later, because right now I have a cold one. This is what actually happened to me the first time. He said, right now I have a cold one, so I'm gonna, you know, pay within the next 10 minutes, but please send me your PayPal email so I can send you the money there, right? So, since you know that I haven't been selling on eBay for a while, I wasn't aware of this type of scams, because back then when I was selling, this never happened to me. I was like, okay, cool. I sent him my PayPal email, even though it was kind of weird because I thought that he was gonna pay through eBay. So, you know, things started looking odd for me. Actually, 15 minutes later, he said, hey man, check your email. I sent you the money through PayPal, and so you could send me the phone or the item to this address. So I checked my email, and what I found was a fake PayPal invoice, which I'm gonna see if I could put a picture somewhere around here. I immediately noticed that this was a scam because I didn't find any money in my PayPal account. I didn't find anything. It was just an invoice, and you know, I didn't find no transactions that were gonna happen or anything like that. So what I did was that I called eBay support. I reported that account, and they immediately got him off the site. They also raised my selling monthly limit, because since that item sold, that counted as if I sold the item, even though I relisted the item again and stuff like that, and I wasn't charged fees. So it looked like I made a sale, but I didn't, and eBay didn't charge me anything for it because I reported it and stuff like that. So yeah, they raised my monthly selling limit, which was nice. I was gonna request that already, but you know, it came in handy. So yeah, guys, this is something that you have to look out for before you get scammed and before you end up sending them the item without receiving the money in your PayPal account. All right, so remember, guys, hit that subscribe button down there, that like button, and comment if you like the video or not. I really appreciate your feedback. Any constructive criticism for my videos, I really appreciate it, guys. And thank you very much for sticking with me through this journey. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video.